Good morning, Stanwood Middle School. Today is Tuesday, January 12th, 2021. I am Miss Christmas Harris, and here are your morning announcements. Keep calm, my friends. It's Turn It Up to Turn It In Tuesday. You know what that means. Time to get very serious about getting your work done for the week, and hopefully you're making pathways on the work that you might be missing as well. Which leads us to, today is periods 2, 4, and 6. And do you have a routine? We've talked a lot about a couple of different pathways to having a routine. The one thing we know that doesn't work is not having one. So whether or not you do one class a day or you do number of assignments, total number of assignments divided by the number of days you're willing to work, it doesn't matter. You go to your meets and you work for 3 hours a day, and magically, through your hard work, grit, determination, and perseverance, it gets done. Don't forget that Miss Kinker is meeting with the community club today at 2:40. The meet code is SMS Community. Likewise, Mr. Bliss has homework club today at 2:40. Meet code is SMS HW Club. So, got a lot of options to keep yourself busy after school today. Buy a yearbook, you must. So says Yoda or Baby Yoda, or maybe both of them say it. I know I'm saying it. I know Mr. Wall's saying it. And we are also saying, turn in those pictures to the yearbook class. The more you turn in, the better chance you have to be all over the pages of the Stanwood Middle School yearbook this year. And that is a place you absolutely want to be. So turn those pictures in and get yourself a yearbook. You can buy them online, or you can buy them by driving up to our office and turning in a check or cash. No birthdays today. The streak is back. If you need help, reach out to us. We are more than happy to help you, and we want to. So please let us know how we can help you find some success. Our Feed the Need soup drive is underway. We had a great showing on Friday, and we will hopefully have more this Friday. We are collecting canned soup and soup in general. So we are here between 8 and 2 on Fridays to collect your donations that will go to the Stanwood Camino Food Bank. It is time for some Superstar Spartan shoutouts. Sarah Mateer, check this one out from Frau Holm. You consistently produce high-quality work, and you always participate during every Google Meet. Great job using your German. And now for your enjoyment, my attempt at saying these German words. Du bist in sehr gut schulen. Hopefully I said that okay. Also, Colin Maloney, Frau says to you, great job completing all your work on time, showing up to all the Google Meets, following directions, and participating. Keep up the great work. Fantastique. This morning, or yesterday, I asked the question, would you rather play in the snow or play in the sand? And by a long shot, play in the snow wins. Although somebody did point out that in the winter, they want to play in the snow. In the summer, they want to play in the sand. I guess I meant it in general. What would you rather play in? There you go. There's more questions in today's daily check-in. How are you doing on the character dare this week? Are you looking at things from your outermost circle to see and learn about them? What are 3 things about something from your outermost circle you don't know about to where you can identify a little bit better? It's a step towards being more kind. And finally, Spartans, up to this point, our words of wisdom about persistence have settled on what persistence is and how to be persistent in the face of doing your schoolwork. Today, I wanted to give you this quote from Martin Luther King Jr. We're about to have Martin Luther King Jr. Day next Monday, and we're going to have some information about him during our class meetings. One of his most famous quotes is, life's most persistent and urgent question is, what are you doing for others? So as you contemplate that question, and you think about how it's a persistent question, meaning it's always there, it never goes away. Every day you should be asking yourself, what are you doing for others? Is that helping in your family? Is that helping in one of the organizations you belong to? Is that helping in your classrooms by turning on your camera and turning in your work? What are things that you are doing to help others? What are you doing for others to make their world a better place? So think about that persistent question today as you go about your day at Stanwood Middle School. With something to think about, this is Miss Christmas Harris reminding you the choices you make today shape your world tomorrow. That's it for your morning announcements. Have a great Turn It Up Tuesday so you can turn it all in, and ask yourself, what are you doing for others? And do some things. Have a great one, Spartans.